Dryer brands can be very confusing to the homeowner or even the technician because different names on the front don't necessarily indicate the manufacturer behind the scenes. There are three primary manufacturers of dryers, both gas and electric. First is GE, shown here. And you notice this great big drum, and there's a belt that goes all the way around the drum. Another great big manufacturer is Whirlpool here. This is the older design shown, which is still being manufactured. They have two designs, the wide 29-inch wide one and the 27-inch. Both are covered in specific videos. And the third big manufacturer over here is a Maytag. Maytag has a primary design and two variations on that tune, which are covered in specific videos.